How to crop image in Microsoft Word. First, we need to insert an image. You can head to Insert tab, select Picture, and browse your files to pick one from your computer folders, or simply drag and drop. After that, the image will adjust itself to fit to your page. But what if scaling up and down is not enough? What if you want to crop part of the image out? In that case, head to Picture Format at the top. If you cannot see it, maybe the picture is not selected, so click on the image, Picture Format, and then we can crop it. Take a look, there's a crop tool over here. Click on it. Now you will see those black lines. We can move them in. You can also grab the corner itself, and we can crop the picture this way. You can also put certain numbers here for height and width of the image. Alright, I will just crop it manually, just like that, and now I simply click out, and the image is cropped now. If you want to move the image freely on your page, check the warping options. You can put it in front of the text, and this way you can warp it. You can move it around freely. There's also option for rotation. And remember, even you already cropped the image, if you click the crop option again, you can redo it and change the cropping. I hope this was helpful. See you in the next one.